Damn, that's a phenomenal mascara. My God. Oh yeah. Juicy. Is there anything more refreshing than an icy cold blue moon with a fresh orange? So today I thought I would take you through my updated go-to makeup look. This is also a great way to show you like my favorite products I'm loving right now, the things that I'm grabbing for without even thinking about it because they're that good. Guys, I got this in the mail yesterday and I have been waiting for this like with bated breath, truly. I've been so excited to try the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I used it last night as skincare. Already love it. Like I used it as my last step in my skincare regimen. My skin was so, I actually posted about it on Instagram because I was so blown away by how juicy and plumped and hydrated my skin looked and felt. You can use this as skincare. You can use this as skincare before you put on makeup as a primer, and that's what we're gonna do today. Can we just take a minute for this gorgeous packaging? I just think Merit has their packaging down. Like, this makes my eyes pop out of my head. It's absolutely beautiful. So first you're gonna shake it. That's what it looks like when it's shaken up. And then you're gonna do 2 to 3 pumps. I'm gonna do 2. I don't know if I can show you, but that's what it looks like. I know it looks like there's color in the bottle, but it's totally clear when you put it on. And it really does feel like a combination of a serum and a facial oil. It doesn't have any scent that I can detect. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is my Salt New York Sneaky Balm. So I am this shade right here. I am N12. You can see I'm already hitting pan on it. Like, that's how much I'm using this product. It is truly a your face but better product. I cannot say enough about Salt. Obviously, I did a dedicated video to the brand. I am in love with Salt New York. So I am just taking a foundation brush and dipping into the product. Now, I haven't used, obviously, the Merit with any makeup yet. This is the first time I'm using it, and I can already tell you this makeup's going on beautifully. And I've been dealing with a lot of like irritation around this area of my face. I think a while back, I really stripped my barrier. I really compromised that, and it's taken quite a while for me to get it back. It's still kind of having some issues. So I'm really trying to use products like this that are also skincare-like. The way this just brings out the gorgeousness of your own complexion is something I really, really love. Like, I don't feel like I'm covering anything up. I don't even see the coverage, but it just perfects everything in this magical way. I love how that went on. I mean, this always goes on beautifully, like it's just a no-fail product. But this right here, yes. Yes, 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 and yes. And I always have my code with Salt New York. It is Cate the Great 10. That is gonna get you 10% off, and you can also use that with other discounts on the site, which is amazing. So definitely check out Salt New York. That Sneaky Balm is truly the shit. Whew, gotta get some concealer on these peepers. So I am grabbing for my Glossier Stretch Concealer. This is my favorite concealer from day one of my channel. I still use it weekly. I find that this is just so simple and easy and gives me just bright, hydrated looking under eyes. It really does stretch with my skin. It looks like my skin, a lot like the Salt New York Sneaky Balm. It's just so incredibly natural. It doesn't like bring out any fine lines. Like, it really just looks so incredibly fresh. This is definitely like a top 10 staple of mine in my makeup collection since, like I said, day one. You can dab it in with your finger and it just blends in a second. Just gorgeous. Okay, I'm literally drinking this like water. So the quick brow product that I've been grabbing for if I just want to do a face and get out the door is my Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. I have this in the shade, I think, yeah, 4.5. I'm very picky about my brow shade. I really like a neutral brown, not too warm, not too cool toned, and that's exactly what this is. Like, this is truly the most perfect dark brown I think I've ever found in a gel. I love this pigment for my brows. So for eyes, I have been either grabbing a blush to use as an eyeshadow, or I have been grabbing this particular shade from the Kaja Beauty Bento Peach Madeline stack. This is just a really pretty sort of muted peach shade, and I just think it looks really flattering. It's really easy, it blends really well. Now I'm gonna take my Persona 24-hour waterproof pencil in the shade brown and just quickly do a little tiny baby wing. Okay, so the liner is done. I did like little sort of like semi-dramatic baby wings. Now I'm gonna go in with blush, and I featured this in my favorites video this month. I cannot get enough of it. It is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush in the shade Hope. I'm just going to very lightly dab it on because a little bit goes a long way. So pretty, and I love this brush. This is the Rare Beauty, I think it's the Rare Beauty Blush Brush, and this is a great brush for blending cream products. Doing a little bit of blush draping here and making sure that it's all really nice and even and blended into my hairline so it looks flawless. Like, look at that blush. Is that not just absolutely stunning? And I am gonna double blush, don't you worry. So now I'm going to dip into my Say Air Set powder, and I'm just going to set all the areas that I want a little bit mattified. You see how that just really beautifully sort of like tamped down all that shine, but it's not totally matte. It really is like a Goldilocks powder. Now we're gonna do mascara. Going in with my new favorite mascara that everyone just can't stop talking about. It is the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. And I just start at the root of the lashes, and then I slowly kind of twist the brush away from my lashes and really get that nice separation and that featheriness. Damn, that's a phenomenal mascara. My God. This is like right up there with my top two like favorite mascaras that I don't use anymore because they're not vocally pro-choice brands, but my Kjaer Weis mascara and my Beauty Pie mascara were so beloved, and this is giving me the lashes that those gave me. I feel so happy that I have finally found a pro-choice mascara that is next level. Also, the price point on this mascara is incredible. Like, for a really quality, you know, sort of like mid to high end mascara, $20. I mean, you're not paying that much less for a mascara, like a good mascara, probably at the drugstore, you know what I mean? And this is so much better than anything I found at the drugstore. Look at my eyes, damn it. Janet, obsessed, absolutely obsessed. We're not doing the lower lashes. We're doing a doe-eyed situation. We're also trying to be quick. Okay, so now we're gonna do lips, and then I'm gonna go back and double blush. I'm gonna quickly line my lips with the new Tower 28 multi-liner. This is in the shade Fill Me In. I have used this and I do like it. It feels like a pretty just like old school proper lip liner, if I'm being honest. But I will say it's definitely like not drying like the MAC lip liners. It's butterier, a little bit more emollient, but not like as buttery as say like the Rare Beauty lip liners. My tendency is to always fill my lips in with a liner, and I started to do that, but I'm gonna kind of tamp that down because I want this to just be really quick and easy. Okay, so I've been pulling out my Fenty gloss bombs because I own almost every single shade. They've just fallen to the wayside, and they're one of my favorite glosses. So I have been grabbing for 2 shades. This was a part of their holiday set. This is called Hot Chocolate Fantasy, and this is the shade Fussy. So I don't know, I can't decide. Let's do both. Let's put on Fussy first. This formula is so gorgeous on the lips. It really does like hug your lips when it goes on. And then I love to use a little bit even shimmery one. So that's where the Hot Chocolate Fantasy comes in, just to really amp up the juice. Oh, this shade is so gorgeous. Kind of like brownie, but there are almost like little bits of like purple and pink speckles in there. Oh, stop it. Stop it with this lip shade. I'm obsessed with this. I could wear this every single day. This literally just feels like my lips, but better. I feel sexy as hell. Now I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more of the blush just to really make sure it stays all day. I would say one of the most common questions I get from people is about blush. How do I wear this? You know, I have this skin type. I feel like blush doesn't stay. And guys, I pretty much always have the same response. Like for instance, this amount of blush. I bet most people when they're doing their makeup, if they put this much blush on, they're like, oh my God, I'm a clown. I cannot be seen. This is really how much you need to make your blush stay, and it's always going to fade. It's not gonna look this intense, but this is what is going to give you that lasting blush. Lean into the blush, man. Lean into the blush. Now I'm going to take my favorite go-to highlighter. This is the Merit Day Glow Balm in the shade Kava. Like, just, I can't get enough of how just glossy and beautiful this product is. Angry. I mean, just absolutely stunning. So this is it, guys. This is my current go-to makeup routine. These are the products that I just don't even have to think about. I just grab for them and I know they're gonna look good. Of course, as always, everything is going to be linked down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much. I really, really love this combination of products. Tell me what product I apply that you're like, hell to the yes. I need that. That is a run, do not walk. If you guys have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. You guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time. Bye. Yeah.